Okay, so now we are on the Find Reviews section page of the library LibGuide, of your LibGuide for your course. So it says here, begin your search for book reviews in Children's Literature Comprehensive Database and Gale Books and Authors. And then you can find other book reviews in Book Review Digest Plus and Core Collection databases. So let's go ahead and start in Gale Books and Authors. You can start anywhere in any one of these, but I do like Gale Books and Authors because it is Berry Song. I'm going to put in Berry Song. And then I just got this title from, I opened up the ALSC website and I chose the Caldecott Medal, the award year 2023. I saw Berry Song in here. And so let me go back to finding the reviews. And so here is Gale Books and Author. I typed in the name and did a search. And here is Berry Song. So I'm going to click on Berry Song. And here are the reviews. There are 6 reviews. Click on here. And then I can choose to read each reviews. There's 6. And these are from Booklist, from the Hornbook Guide, Publishers Weekly, another one from Publishers Weekly, Kirkus Reviews, and Booklist. And then I would click on Read Review. And then here is the review. And then I could exit out. So let me X out. And that is Gale Books and Authors. And so I'll go back here, the Children's Literature Comprehensive Database. I can click on there, type in the title here, Berry Song, click on search. And then here is the title, Berry Song. I can click on it. Here's the annotation. It tells me what the book is about, but then I want to find reviews. And so here is the tab right here for reviews. I click on there, and here are all the reviews. And then I would do the same thing in the Children's Core Collection. I would type in Berry Song. So you can use any of these. And then I would click on search. And there is Berry Song, and then my access options. I can find it at UH Clear Lake, Berry Song, in school library journal, and this one in Hornbook magazine. And so I could click on access PDF, and then here is how it was printed exactly in the journal. So I have those 4 options to look for books, or I can also use the library website, the library catalog. So I'll click on, here's the library catalog, right? The student is there shelving the book. Here's the library catalog, and I'm going to type in Berry Song. I'm going to click search. And here is Berry Song. It's in our Easy Book collection. But over here on the left-hand side, under resource type, I'm going to click Show More. And I'm going to click on Reviews. I'm going to click on Apply Filters. And then here we go. Review. Here's a review of the book, Berry Song, in Hornbook Magazine. Here's a review of Berry Song in Booklist. Another one in Booklist, in Publishers Weekly, in Publishers Weekly. And so I can click on those. It says available online. And here is the review. I know it's this book. There's the picture. And then here is the review. So you do have several options for finding book reviews in our collection. And then once again, if you need additional help or have some questions, please feel free to reach out to us by any of these means.